a study of the correlation between pulmonary function test and different components of metabolic syndrome in South Indian patients with metabolic syndrome. This chapter aims to determine the relationship between metabolic syndrome and pulmonary function in subjects with metabolic syndrome, as well as association between different components of metabolic syndrome with respect to impairment of pulmonary function test. Metabolic syndrome has been linked to pulmonary dysfunction. However, there is inadequate data, particularly in Indians, on the connection with individual components of metabolic syndrome and the overall effect on multiple components of pulmonary function. This cross-sectional study was carried out in the Department of General Medicine at Bangalore Medical College and Research Institute, Bangalore, India. The study was consisting of 50 subjects with metabolic syndrome. An unpaired t-test and Pearson's partial correlation coefficient were used to assess the relationship between the various elements of the metabolic syndrome and the pulmonary function tests, which were administered to all of the individuals. Females showed moderately negative significant correlations between forced vital capacity (FVC) and systolic blood pressure (SBP), diastolic blood pressure (DBP), fasting blood sugar (FBS), triglyceride (TG), waist circumference (WC), and body mass index (BMI), whereas a positive weak non-significant correlation was seen between FVC and high-density lipoprotein cholesterol (HDLC), while no such relation was found with forced expiratory volume in 1 second FEV1. In males, there was a negative, moderately significant association between FVC and FBS, but a strong, positive, significant link between FVC and WC and between FVC and BMI. FEV1 and WC had a negative, marginally significant connection, as did FEV1 and BMI. Our study found that FBS and WC significantly decreased FVC in both sexes, while other metabolic syndrome factors had a slightly significant influence on FVC and no effect on FEV1, indicating a restrictive pattern of pulmonary function derangement. Insulin resistance could likely be a predominant contributing factor. In order to determine if there are direct or indirect processes via which insulin resistance could impact pulmonary function, additional research with bigger sample numbers is required. Introduction. Metabolic syndrome is a group of health problems, including obesity, high blood pressure, high blood sugar, and abnormal cholesterol levels, that increase the risk of diabetes and heart disease. Recent studies suggest that these conditions may also affect how well the lungs work. For example, obesity can make it harder to breathe by reducing lung capacity, while low levels of good cholesterol and increased inflammation may also contribute to poorer lung function. However, not all people with metabolic syndrome show insulin resistance, and the link between its different components and lung health is not fully clear. This study aims to explore how lung function test results called pulmonary function tests or PFTs relate to the various parts of metabolic syndrome. By doing this, the researchers hope to better understand how metabolic health affects breathing and to encourage further research in this area. Conclusion. We found a positive independent relationship between lung function impairment and metabolic syndrome in both sexes, predominantly in subjects with high fasting blood sugar levels. Insulin resistance could likely be a predominant contributing factor. Further studies are required to study the underlying mechanisms behind this and to establish whether the reversal of metabolic syndrome and insulin resistance will lead to a reversal of the lung function impairment. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.